Sisters and brothers, please don't forget that Christmas, tandaan mo, Christmas is not just a day. Christmas is not just a season. Christmas is a life commitment. Christmas is a mission. Christmas does not end December 25. Be a walking Christmas. Insofar as you are joyful, loving, kind, generous, humble, you live Christmas again and again. First question, handa ka na ba? Second question, ganda ka na ba? Third question, tanda mo na ba? Fourth question, tanungin mo